Here are 5 reasons why people remain poor. Number 1. Lack of action. Some people wait for a life-changing moment instead of putting in the effort to learn new skills and work hard. They expect success to come effortlessly without taking any initiative. Number 2. Dependency on others. Waiting for someone else to save them or thinking they need someone smarter or more connected to succeed keeps people trapped in poverty. However, with the abundance of free resources and learning opportunities available today, individuals can take charge of their own success. Number 3. Resistance to change. Success requires adaptability and a willingness to embrace change. Those who resist change and cling to outdated ideas or skills limit their potential for growth and success. Number 4. Lack of financial knowledge. Many people remain poor because they lack a fundamental understanding of how money works. Rich individuals view money as a tool and reinvest it, while poor individuals tend to hold on to their money without leveraging it effectively. Number 5. Missed opportunities. Some individuals overlook opportunities because they expect quick and easy money, failing to recognize valuable prospects that require hard work and effort. By constantly passing up opportunities, they prevent themselves from achieving financial success.